Everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And I have an unboxing for you today and a couple reveals for you today. And so I just wanted to get them done. I wanted my full reaction to my unboxing. So I thought, I can't wait to unbox, so I'm going to get this filmed. But first, before that, I have a handy dandy opener here. I was going to show you a couple things that I got on Amazon. Okay, the first one is courtesy of Ed, from Ed Braun. He told me about this chain. It is, boy, this baby's substantial. And he said that he heard about it from, Lisa, who doesn't have a YouTube channel, but should. And, I wanted this because I thought this would go so good on my horse bag. So I got this here, since we're here together now. We're going to see how this goes on here. This was, yeah, on Amazon. Okay. Yeah. Clearly, I don't know how it opens. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's just a pushy.
It is.
It's just a pushy one.
Push it. Push it real good.
Bum, ba-dum, bum. It's clipped on that side. I saw this, and he has it on his Clementine horse, and his is like the coffee colored. I have the coffee one and the black, but really thought it'd be cool.
So everybody names all their horses Clementine?
No.
Oh.
But look at it. Isn't that cool? I love that. I just think it's edgy and sharp and gives you another little way to carry that, like shoulder bag it. So,
And you can always take it off and lock up your bike?
Right. But no, I just thought it was really cool. It's pretty heavy, though. It's pretty substantial.
There's that one.
So I got that. And so, yeah. Ed told me about that one. And then you guys might remember, I did a bag swap and pretty recently. And went into my, gotta stick this back in here.
That's what she said.
I had a number of people say about how this Fendi would look so good with this bag. And I'm like, crap, I can't get it on there because
Did you say crap?
I said crap. I couldn't get it on here because this wouldn't really fit. And then Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture told me about these babies on Amazon.
I think we're going to have to start limiting Dawn's internet time.
So she said to get this bigger one, and then you could hook it on here and then hook it on there. So let's see if what I bought was big enough.
Doesn't look like it.
Big enough, whatever. Okay, let's see here. There we go.
Oh, Lord. The wheels on the struggle bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
I feel like this could work.
The wheels on the struggle bus go round and round all through the town.
I almost got it. Okay. Let's try down here. I know there's a way to do this. I just don't know how as of yet. Oh, like that maybe? Goes right on. I'm an idiot.
But hey, you're our idiot.
Yep. So now I got that on there. And then I can put... Probably should make sure I have the right direction. Would you look at that? Would you just look at that?
Not quite. Can it slide down or no? Or you don't want it to slide down?
It can't slide down. That's as far as it can go. I guess I could get a bigger ring.
Okay. It does kind of match, though.
It matches perfect.
Kind of.
Perfect. So, I got those rings. I probably could get a bigger one if I wanted it to slide down further. I could also get gold rings. I started with silver because I feel like I have more silver hardware bags. But these were so cheap, I think they were like $5. So, might get some more of those. But that solved that. And now...
What you've all been waiting for.
Yes. This is the, I got in touch with Becca, from, Texas, Louis Vuitton. Autumn Beckman tells everybody about Becca. And, Becca was able, she knew I wanted to get some stuff from the multicolor drop, and that I hadn't been able to, the only thing I had been able to get was the ring on the website.
So Becca's an essay?
Yes. Listen to you. And so she actually was able to get me, I told her I was interested if she could find anything, and she found a couple things for me that I was interested in. And this is the first one that arrived. And so she said that she was going to ship it to me. Instead of having it shipped to me from Louis Vuitton, she first shipped it to the store, and then she, from the store, shipped it to me. So I'm very excited to see this here. I'm not sure how this is going to open. There we go.
As you're showing your address.
Oop. Uh-oh. To blur that out. Okay. I'm showing my address. Thanks for telling me that after the fact. We'll have to blur it out. Sorry how that looks, because I know to edit it, my son has to put a big block on, but...
Otherwise, just send me Spotted Cow.
No. So, here's the box. And I have my little paperwork in here. And this is just my receipt. My receipt. Yep.
It's actually a recipe.
No. And... she did it. I was so hoping. Oh.
You bought a box?
She gave me some of the paper,
Oh.
the gift bag. I never get the gift stuff. I order stuff around Christmas every year, trying to get the Christmas wrapping paper, or Christmas wrap, or Christmas. Why is it so hard to think of the packaging? I try, and I never get it. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Becca, you're the mom. Not that she watches my channel, but oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I was so hoping that's one of the reasons I wanted to open this on here. And then I also got... Oh my gosh. Oh, I wanted one of these things so bad.
That's a Zorbit.
Is it? And I got some of the ribbon here. Love that. All right, so let's see. Not bought any this before from Louis Vuitton, but this one I just couldn't resist. And this is neat packaging. You'll probably know if you've bought one yourself before like this. So it's just like that.
Is that an inner office memo?
Yeah. And then inside, let me set this down. Bum ba da dum. I got. Oh, it even keeps it's to keep it nice. Even in the box, it's got like papers stuff, cardstock. I think that's the word I was looking for. But I got. Oh, this is cool. The Louis Vuitton notebook. So it's got the gilded edges.
Handy dandy.
And then this is really interesting. This
is it a scratch and sniff?
It almost feels like a fabric. And then it just says Louis Vuitton there.
Why don't you show it to us a little better?
Louis Vuitton here.
Okay.
Blue end page, but the other pages are, this is paper. And then the back is the same way. The end page is there. And then the blue, okay, easy for me to say, color in there. And then it says LV down at the bottom. And then it says the Louis Vuitton, let's see, 20-year celebration, Louis Vuitton and Murakami down there. And then the pages are just blank lined pages. So I suspect I'll probably use this having something to do with books, but I'm not 100% sure yet. But yeah, I don't know what this is like a material on here. Maybe it's a canvas, but it's some type of material, it feels like. Not like paper. So this is really nice, really textured. And I like the little thing to mark your place here. So this is the first item. I'm kind of surprised, I think you will be too, as you see the items that I got from this drop. They just, oops, I twisted that. They're just, I wouldn't say my typical run-of-the-mill items. Like, I've never bought one of these before. I got one of these for Christmas from you 2 years ago, a Dior booklet. But this is my first Louis Vuitton. And it's so pretty.
Like the gold edges.
Yeah. So this is what I got, and I'm just so thrilled with the package. I'm just so excited. So, oh, she did awesome. That's so nice. So that is the first piece I got from the white multicolor. And then I have 2 more Murakami pieces coming. That one wasn't due until the other 2 were, which was supposed to be in March. But that actually came early, but my understanding is the other 2 are still scheduled to arrive in March. So then I'll have more to show you at that time in regards to the Murakami. But that's what I have for you today, just showing you my Amazon finds and my Murakami unboxing from the wonderful Becca. And I'm just so excited. And that was just so nice of her. And yeah. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Wednesdays and Saturdays regarding contemporary and luxury bags. Every other Thursday, I put out a book-related video, either a book haul or showing you books I've been reading or have read or are reading. And then every Monday or Tuesday, I do put out a bag swap video where I swap from one bag in the SLGs I'm using to a different bag in the SLGs I'm using. And then I usually talk a little bit, a little chatty, and or talk a little bit about the bag that I'm going into, bag that I came out of, and a little bit about the SLGs as well. So you get to see just a little bit more of my collection, or more upfront and personal. If you haven't already found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And I usually put out a reel every week and or a picture of me wearing a particular bag. Like I always say, I don't generally wear my bags to match what I'm wearing. I just pick out a bag for the week, and that's the bag that I use. But if it happens to be one day that whatever I'm wearing seems like it would go good with the bag, then I'll probably have the cameraman take a picture, just kind of show what it looks like on my body type. I am the type of person that if I like the bag, I like the bag. I don't care how it looks on me. I don't see myself very frequently, and I just get happy with the bag itself, the shape, the texture, the size, what fits. Just the bag itself. So how it looks on me, to me, is unimportant. I know that's not the case for everybody, and that's fine. I absolutely love looking at pictures of people where they all coordinate. Beautiful. I don't know that I could do it, so that's how I like my bags and like to use them and wear them. But I think that's everything. If you could leave a comment down in the comments below, I would really appreciate it. I do answer all my comments, and I really appreciate them. Helps me get to know everybody just a little bit better. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.